How to download and uninstall Instagram on your laptop. First of all, what you need to do is to tap on the search box from here, and you need to search store, and after that will show up to you Microsoft Store from here, and click on it, and after that he will open to you. And what you need to do from here is to search on Instagram from here, search on it and enter, and after that tap on Instagram from here, and after that what you need to do is to tap on install it from here, download it. I already downloaded it, and tap on open, and as you see Instagram is opened from here. And now what you need to do is to just insert your username and your password and tap on login, and you can use Instagram easily on your laptop. And after that, if you want to pin this Instagram icon here on the taskbar, what you need to do is to tap on the right click on your mouse or touchpad and just tap on pin to taskbar, and basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.